Parent function is another important function in the MDX world. It will help to fetch the immediate parent value or parent member for specified uh, current member value. Okay, let's get into the example how parent function works in the MDX. We start with sample query as usual. We do on every video. So we start with sample query where I drag the reseller sales amount on my columns, which is 0, and then I take the one of the product. Under the product, I take the sum of the values from the subcategory. I'll use this bike racks, and then I use the non-empty. Of course, we get the non-empty values, but I don't want to see the null values in my results. That's the reason I use the non-empty. And then here on 1. So this is our sample query that we write day to day. Now here we got the bike racks information. Now how to use the parent function? We just in the end of your selected member in the on rows, in the end we just put the parent, the value current member. This is our current member 26 dot parent. Now if I execute this, then we get the accessories, because the bikes is a child member and their respective parent member is accessories. Okay, and not only that, you can also write, if you want to go back another one more level up. So what is the parent of parent value again? Then this time we get total reseller sales amount at this level, all product level, because that is our parent, right? So again, if I write further, okay, one more parent, this time we'll get the blank reseller sales amount, then because there is no, the hierarchy was ended here, right, at product categories level. So there is no next level of the hierarchy. Now here we get the blank value. Okay, so that's the how we can use. Not only that, we can also use the lag function. Okay, and then along with parent. Now here what we get, so this is our previous, there is no further hierarchy. That's the reason it threw the blank results. Now instead of lag, I use the lead. Okay, so after accessories, what is the lead value? It's a bikes. Okay, and not only this, we can also use previous member. Okay, and here again we get the blank values because there is no reseller sales amount. Okay, so this is about the parent function, but it's a very handy whenever we trying to fetch the some of the parent values for chosen members. It's easy to fetch it using this parent function. That's all about the parent function.